Passive income is money that keeps coming in mainly because of something you already set up earlier, not because of work you are doing right now. That sentence is the anchor. Everything else is just explaining it clearly. Here's the first myth to drop. Passive income does not mean zero work. Money never appears from nowhere. If someone tells you it does, they're skipping an important part of the story. With passive income, the work doesn't disappear. It moves earlier. Think about a normal job. You work today, you get paid today. If you stop showing up, the money stops. That's active income, and it's what most people are used to. Passive income works differently. You put in effort first, often a lot of it, to build something. Then, later on, that same thing can keep paying you even when you're not actively working on it every day. The key test is simple. If you take a day off, does the money still come in at all? This is where the idea of front-loading effort comes in, without the fancy words. Imagine cooking a big pot of soup. The chopping, cooking, and cleaning all happen up front. Later, you just reheat and eat. The effort was real, but it wasn't repeated every time. Passive income follows that pattern. You do the heavy lifting first, so the results can repeat. Writing a short guide once, then selling it many times. Setting up a rental space once, then earning rent over time. Saving money first, then earning interest later. The thing you build or own is called an asset, but don't let that word scare you. An asset is simply something you have that can keep giving you value later. One more honest truth. Passive income is usually slow at the start. The building phase feels like work because it is work. That doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're early. So forget money while you sleep. The real goal is simpler and more realistic. Do the work once and get paid more than once for it.